Crazy. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Show. You hear me? If you can hear me, you can understand, man. If you see this, subscribe to the channel, man. It's free. You can always unsubscribe, man. Make sure you like this and share this, because we going up. We going up all this year. We ain't finna play with them. But as you can tell by the title of the video, the pedal commander is in the whip, man. You know what I'm saying? So we finna go ahead and show you how to put this thing in and the first ride. Yes, sir? So here go the pedal commander right here, man. What you wanna do, this, you go up under the dash, right up under, you pull this up out of there. See that? I done pull my damn wire off my LED. But you gotta get up under there, man. And it's pretty dark up under here, but here go the pedal commander screen. So it comes with two plugs. One, take the pedal out of your, take the pedal, stupid ass. Take the plug out of your pedal and you're gonna plug, it's male and female, you plug it in there. And then the plug that you took out is two, like I say, it's two cords to this. You're gonna put that into what you took out of this. Understand me? And run it back again. So it's two plugs that come with this. You take one out of the pedal and then you plug one from the pedal commander in there. And then there's another one that, so now there's gonna be an empty slot on your pedal. So you take the other one from here and you put that right up there. You can't see, it's dark as hell up there, but it's another, you put that right into the plug, boom. You're done. Hey, you talking about? Button your shit back up. Come on now, that's simple. Me personally, I don't see the need to have it up here being flashy and shit, man. It look cool when you start, the lights blink and all that, but mine be tucked away. You don't even see that thing, man. Ain't really no point in having it. It's really personal preference. So I got Bluetooth, so I don't really need it. All right, so let's get to what y'all really here for. You know what I'm saying? Does it really work? Hell yeah, it worked, man. Once we get into the video, really, you can see, like, I barely tapped it and our heads was just going back, man. So it was a good time. I really enjoyed it. It completely changes the car, man. It makes us feel like a race car for real. I'm not exaggerating at all, man. It gets up out of there just like that, man. So I would recommend it. I'm not gonna lie, man. As you can see, the installation is 2 seconds, you know, 4 plugs, male and female, you can't go wrong. So hope y'all enjoy the clips that we got when we was riding and testing this thing out, man. I've been peeping the views on the videos, they going up. I appreciate everybody, man. That's so much love, showing me so much love to the channel, man. I appreciate all that. Y'all don't understand, man. It's a grind. We're going to go up. We're going to keep doing monsters this comment. I say this every video. I'm not faking no fluffing, but come out. You know what I'm saying? We had so much fun with this pedal commander. You could tell we was smiling. We was geeking in the video. Fuck talk about. So make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy, Show. You hear me? If you can hear me, you can understand. You need. All I did was tap the motherfucker, bro. Oh, shit. Man. Gotta ease on it. That shit is sensitive as fuck. Put the sport mode on too. Like a race car for real. I got the window fucking up and shit. Bro. As soon as I hit that motherfucker, it go. I could tell the difference. I could definitely tell the difference. Yeah. That's crazy. Oh, I'm in love. I'm barely touching this motherfucker, it's going. That shit crazy. I mean, what? Nigga, I'm barely pushing the pedal down. It's instant, I fuck with this. Yeah, it's the RPM. As soon as I hit it. All my downshifts finna be crazy. Yo! Damn, my bad, folks. See, I told you before we got in there. It's cool. I'm okay. Folks, just put my mans in the pool. It's okay. This is This shit is wicked, bro. I can't believe this shit. Believe it. B5 blow over that seat. You ain't got one of these though. Stupid ass.
Okay.
I'm barely touching it.
That shit.
I'm barely touching it. It's moving.
Should be like,
It's not even halfway down.
I already know.
It's like if I'm coming off the light, that's how I'm on the gas.
Right.
I'm barely touching it.
Yeah, I see why JJ be doing.
Look at that. This is accelerating. That's wicked, bro. I fuck with that. Niggas in trouble this summer, man. You in trouble this summer, man.
That's all I need.
For my downshifts, I'm barely tapping it. Oh my
Nah,
god.
you
Yo! That's crazy. Mythbusters, man. This shit work for real. They ain't just faking on YouTube when they be doing all this shit.
Yeah, nah.
That shit real, man.
I'm real life doing this.
Down there broke my motherfucking neck in, man.
That mo right there. This car over there.
I'll do donuts right and shit right now. Look, I think I'm in the scatty and shit. I got all my power with my foot now. That's crazy. I'm gonna learn how to drive this bitch. I'm gonna have way more videos of me going too dumb in this house.
I'll talk about get the exclusives with SRT3. You feel?
I knew you was gonna mention that girl in this damn video.
She in this. It's recorded.
Yeah, it's recorded.
Man.
I'm recording the whole time.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Edit that out.
No.
I love you, bro.
Boy, if you don't get
Oh no. Oh no. I might have to edit that out for real.
But anyway, it's okay. You can stick the rest. Cause I'm gonna be quiet. You can move all this out the way.
No, I'm putting it in there. And I'm putting I'm putting all that shit in there.
Man, you might as well.
Hey, fuck them other modes, man. This is the mode to drive in right here. Once you get this mode down,
It's over with.
it's gonna be it.
This shit real. I can't even smoke my smoke.
We in Mexico, by the way.
Definitely Mexico.
Yo!
Running.
Hey, I'm finna wrap this video up, man. I'm finna go clown in this bitch.
You better know it.
Yo, Kizzy, don't cap.
Yeah, I don't want to try to mention.
Hey,
I didn't say it. I was just saying.
make sure y'all go like, comment, share, subscribe, man.
At all times.
But these next videos finna be absolute
Real.
bangers.
Oh, and be on the lookout for my page in a minute, man. I'm gonna drop some good content for y'all, just like folks here. You feel me? So, you will be in tune.
You need 18 for the win, nigga.